What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we need to talk about Ethereum Classic. So I used to do a lot more videos on Ethereum Classic, and I'm starting to do more of them because now we're really starting to see the growth on Ethereum Classic. And actually, I was invested back in Ethereum Classic when it was back around $15 or so, and that was on Robinhood. This right here is Binance. I use both Binance and Robinhood, but I just prefer Binance more for the investing and stuff. And then I also use some of the other platforms. Right now, I'm not in Ethereum Classic, but that's because I'm kind of waiting for everything to calm down right now because everything's been going really crazy. I like to really buy things on dips, and I'm not seeing much of a dip here, and I don't know if we'll get one because even if we come over here to CoinGecko, let's just wait for this to load. As we can see, Ethereum Classic right here, we're at number 5. We were at number 3 in growth in the last 24-hour period, but Digibyte took the place, Nano took the place, SC, XVG, they all took the place, and now Ethereum Classic is at number 5 right now inside of the growth category for the last 24 hours. So yeah, we do have a market cap of $5.6 billion. Ethereum Classic is one of those cryptos that's just always been doing good numbers, and it just always has steady growth. As you can see, is right over there. Let's go over to Robinhood really quick and look at it here. So one thing with Ethereum Classic is that on Robinhood, it's always a little more. So you could see that it was $44 back here. You can see that, yeah, it was $44 back here, but then we come over here, it's $54, a whole $10 more, and that is because of Robin. I'm not 100% sure why Robinhood does it, but what I believe they do it for is because the fees and stuff for buying it in Classic are different on other platforms. But yeah, I'm not too sure why Robinhood has to be $10 more, but yeah, they charge $10 more. That's also because the growth on Robinhood is different. Like, it's a different level than the growth on other platforms. Like, if we come over here to Exodus and look at Ethereum Classic, let's open it up here. All right, and then let's go over here and type in Ethereum Classic and see what the growth is looking like on here. Usually it'll be around $10, so this should be $44, $45. See, everything's a little different with Ethereum Classic, but yeah, as you can see, for 7 days we came really far. It was $20 7 days ago, and then we can look over here, and it was around $12. And let's go back over to Robinhood really quick. All right, now that we're back at Robinhood, you can see I was in Ethereum Classic heavy. I was doing a lot of swing trading here, and then let's go over here to market sells. Yeah, you can see that I was really inside Ethereum Classic. I was doing a lot more swing trading. Some of them were profitable, some of them weren't. But yeah, Robinhood is definitely more expensive than all the other apps. That's why I switched over to Binance. But I still use Robinhood for like my options and my other things for investing. Only 244 in here right now because all my money is inside of crypto because of what Dogecoin was doing. So I had to make my money right there. Made a good $5,000 a couple days. But yeah, I'm definitely watching Coinbase here. But this video is not about Coinbase. It is about Ethereum Classic and what Ethereum Classic is set to do and why it's been growing a lot. So it's obvious that Dogecoin has been growing a lot, and that's been bringing more retail investors into crypto. So that's pretty good for Ethereum Classic right now. The fact that more retail investors are coming in because Dogecoin is a meme friendly one, and a lot of people are really into memes nowadays. So Dogecoin definitely helps them invest more. It definitely makes them more confident to invest inside of cryptos. So crypto is definitely about to get a whole influx of people who never invested in it before investing in it. And also we see that prevalent inside of the internet. Like, if we go over here and look at Google Trends, we can see that we're trending way harder for Ethereum Classic than we used to. Like, this is for the past day, it's set to skyrocket. If we look at for the past 7 days, Ethereum Classic is at its highest it's ever been in the last 7 days. So we have a large influx of people coming in and looking at Ethereum Classic. So the price is definitely going to continue to jump. So that's one of the reasons why we're going up so high in Ethereum Classic right now. If you look at for the last 30 days, it's really been up and down. And if you look at for the last year, we really had the same thing, and it was up down a lot back here. So if you look at for the web search now, this is just YouTube search. The web search is a completely different thing. People use web searches for different things. So you can see the web search there for 12 months. And this is the web search for 30 days, which is still pretty big. And then let's go back here and look at the web search for the last day. The web search for the last day, that's pretty big. And then we can look at the web search for the last 4 days or 4 hours. It's been going down a little bit for the last 4 hours, and that is true because 4 hours ago, that's when Dogecoin was going more crazy, and for the last hour, it's been up and down. So yeah, we're definitely doing big numbers here with Ethereum Classic, and definitely a lot of social media presence. So that's also why we're going up. And if we go over here and look at this news article, Ethereum Classic is no Dogecoin, but it is getting fair share of love, and that is very true. Ethereum Classic is now up 45% for the day, and it's going crazy. So yeah, Ethereum Classic has risen 55.27% on a 7-day trailing basis as of press time on Thursday night. And this past 24 hours was actually a 45% increase. So that's also crazy. So yeah, what happened? Ethereum Classic traded 42.44% higher over 24 hours at $30.89 at press time. The coin has rallied almost a bunch of others who have been buoyant around the Coinbase global listing. So yeah, Coinbase going global also put Ethereum Classic on another level because they're on Coinbase. So that also helped them get more exposure. So yeah, major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum touched their all-time highs this week. Bitcoin traded 0.03 lower at 62,000 at press time, while Ethereum traded 2.83 higher at 2,400. Dogecoin this week, we all know what happened with Dogecoin. While Ethereum Classic is not the top gainer this week as per market cap, it is the top 4 cryptocurrency in terms of weekly gains. And we actually seen that when we looked over here at CoinGecko. We seen that the weekly gains here were really great, and we seen that they weren't like anything else. So let's go back over here and look at those weekly gains. That's a big for the 24 hours right there. That is really big for the last 24 hours, 44%. And that's bigger than Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin was higher, but yeah, Dogecoin definitely went down. It had to calm down. It had to get a little correction because that's just too much growth to sustain. But by 420, we should definitely be up on Dogecoin. But mainly what I want to talk about is here Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is on its way to $50, and after that, nothing's stopping it from reaching $100. I really think Ethereum Classic will be $100 by the end of I want to say $100 by the end of the year. So we're definitely coming on some really good growth right now. And yeah, 30 cents for Doge. Yeah, Doge is definitely going down. People are definitely relocating their money into other cryptos. Cardano's going up, Hedera's going up, and XLM's going up, Nano's going up, and Ethereum Classic number 2 on Binance right now. So yeah, Ethereum Classic is really good, really good right now, and it's definitely one to watch. I would definitely not count it out. Let's see where we have here. 5.7 billion market cap. Like Ethereum Classic is definitely one to not count out. And Ethereum Classic is no Dogecoin, exactly no Dogecoin, but we are going up big, and $50 is our next target price. So that is what we need to be looking at right now for Ethereum Classic, and where we should be at is $50 by the end of the week or by the beginning of the next weekend. So maybe like Monday we can be seeing $50, and if we don't see it by Monday, maybe we should see it by like the end of the week of next week. But yeah, we definitely should be seeing really big price increases here in Ethereum Classic. And another thing with Ethereum Classic is the way Ethereum grows is way different than the way Ethereum Classic grows. Like I made a video called Ethereum Classic is the new Ethereum. And I said this because Ethereum used to have really big growth, and then it kind of got stumped when Bitcoin stopped growing, and then it kind of stopped growing altogether with Bitcoin, and it just started growing at a much slower pace. And that's true because it's at a really high price right now, which means that its growth can only go up but by so much. Same thing with Bitcoin. It would need a large influx of people to come in and invest in it, like a large retail like group to come in and invest in it. Just like with Doge, it would need something similar to Doge to jump high. And just like how Ethereum did, it would need Doge numbers to do what Ethereum did, or Ethereum would need Doge numbers to do what Ethereum Classic did. This is 100% in 5 months, but Ethereum Classic got 44% in 1 day. So this is definitely really big for Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is growing at a way faster pace than Ethereum. That's why I made the whole comment, Ethereum Classic is the new Ethereum. I was just talking about in growth. Obviously, Ethereum Classic is not updated like Ethereum, so it works way differently. And they're continuing to change Ethereum every day, but Ethereum Classic is just what it says. It's the classic, it's the original. It's not gonna change. It's just what it is. And that's one reason why people like it, because nothing about it is going to change. Even if the government came in with regulations, it's Ethereum Classic. It's nothing like Ethereum. It's nothing like Bitcoin, like how Bitcoin always had its different stuff like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, all that. Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum, but also the original Ethereum, as some people would call it. I wouldn't even call it the original Ethereum. The original Ethereum should go to Ethereum Classic, and that is just how it should be, because that's how it was. And yeah, I'm definitely more bullish on Ethereum Classic than Ethereum. I definitely think that we can see $100 really soon with Ethereum Classic, and if we don't see $100 by the end of the year, that's definitely going to be a big surprise. But I definitely believe we will. It's impossible now. Like, we're at top 5 for growth in Ethereum Classic. We're doing crazy on the trends for Ethereum Classic. So yeah, Ethereum Classic is going crazy right now. So I would definitely check it out. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Take it with your own state of mind at stake. So yeah, definitely think about this and hit that like button if you like the video, and subscribe, and check out the description for a free stock with Robinhood. You can also get Ethereum Classic on Robinhood, and I will be back with another video. Peace.